If you don't like taking big risks but still want solid returns, then the PSX Dividend 20 Index could be your new best friend. The PSX Dividend 20 Index is your compass to the top 20 dividend-paying companies on the Pakistan Stock Exchange. Think of it as a curated list of stocks that not only pay dividends, but pay them consistently and generously. Here's how it works. First, the index screens all PSX-listed stocks. Only those with a solid 3-year trading history and consistent trading activity make the cut. Next, it zeroes in on companies that have paid cash dividends in the recent financial year and at least one of the 2 prior years. To make it to the top 20, these companies must have a minimum 5% dividend payout ratio and a 10% dividend to face value ratio. The chosen stocks are then ranked by their trailing 12-month dividend yield. Once selected, each stock is weighted based on its dividend yield, ensuring that no single stock can dominate the index. But it doesn't stop there. The index is recalibrated semi-annually to keep it fresh and relevant. It's like having a team of experts constantly fine-tuning your portfolio for you. Ready to discover more? Dive into the PSX Dividend 20 Index and let your investments work smarter, not harder.